How to connect GoDaddy domain to Blogger step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through how you're going to connect a custom domain, a GoDaddy domain, to your Blogger in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So to connect a GoDaddy domain to your Blogger, what you are going to do is you're gonna come to your Blogger. You're gonna go into the settings of Blogger, and over here you're gonna get a lot of things: HTTPS, post, comments. Now, first of all comes the email settings, and in the email settings, obviously you're gonna get all the general drafts and stuff. And in the email settings, obviously, is where the main things goes down because there's post using emails. There's different post notifications, subscribers, and all. So you're gonna need to mess around with these things for your proper email listings to work. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to GoDaddy, and once you come over to GoDaddy, over here is where you're gonna find domains. Okay, and in these domains, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that the zone record that you have, okay, you're gonna go with that proper thing. So let's say I'm gonna go with this domain zone record, and once you have the zone record, obviously you're gonna go ahead and purchase your domain. Okay, and once you've purchased a domain, make it yours. You're gonna again go into settings. Once you go into settings, go into publishing. Once you go into publishing, here you have custom domain. Add the custom domain that you have, and that will connect your domain from Blogger to GoDaddy in the easiest way possible. So yeah, that's basically about it. That is how you're going to connect your GoDaddy to your Blogger. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.